to do just a little thrift store haul today. I have been wanting to get some videos up for a while now, but I have been super busy. My husband and I just took a road trip yesterday up to Charlottesville, Virginia, and I got some footage for that, and I plan on doing a video for that. Like I said, I have a small thrift store haul, but I was really excited about a couple of things I got, and I just wanted to share it with you today. Let's get started. The first thing I got was this styrofoam wreath. It's a little bent up, but I mean, once you put the mesh or whatever you're going to use on it, you won't ever notice it. And I got this for 99 cents. And the next thing I got was these little floral bushes. These were 99 cents a piece, and I love flowers. I do not have a green thumb, so I'm excited when I find a good deal on artificial flowers and greenery. So I got 99 cents for both of these, for each. I also got a little carry shoulder strap. What do you call these things? A crossbody bag, I guess. It's Vera Wang. It has a Vera Wang tag. I don't know if you can see the inside the camera, but it has Vera Wang on the inside and on the little tag right there. Hard to see. But I paid $4.99 for this, but I thought it was really cute, and the quality feels really good. It's got a little pocket in the front, and it's small enough to put your wallet in your purse. I mean, your wallet and your camera in, just to, you know, run to the grocery store or shopping or something, or a thrift store. Okay, the next thing I got was this cute little picture frame. It's got the back stands. You know, you can set it up like that. But I paid $1.99 for this, but I'm sorry for the glare. I'm planning on using this in my kitchen because I have a lot of the galvanized tin items in my kitchen. I plan on putting this in here, maybe a cute little country quote in this, but I thought that was cute for $1.99. And the last thing I got is super cute. It's this little pink planter bicycle. I thought it was just adorable. I am going to spray paint it a different color. Probably try to do it a country white or something like that. But I got this for $3.99, which I thought might be a little bit pricey for a thrift store, but it was so cute. And I have seen other versions go for like 20 bucks or more. So I was happy with it. I think it's just adorable. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in it yet, but as soon as I figure that out, I will show you all and let you see what I do with the greenery and with this. I probably won't use the wreath form for a while because I have a lot of Dollar Tree ones already, so I probably won't use it for a while. But as soon as I do something with these, I will post it in a video and show you what I've done. And like I said, we did go on a road trip, and I plan on putting a video up of that, my husband and myself, and we had a really good time. It was just a day trip, but I got to see my parents while we were there, and we had a really good time. But like I said, this is gonna be short and sweet. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing and liking my videos. I appreciate every one of you. Thanks so much. Bye.